Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Talent. Today we are going to cover Six Sigma White Belt certification by Discover Talent. Really glad you are here because today we are beginning a journey of Six Sigma. Every time we heard this term called Six Sigma, okay, so we don't know what exactly it is, okay, and how it is going to be impact on our business, okay. So we are making this very simple on our Discover Talent. Okay, we are not using any kind of jargons over here. We are using very natural English over here, and we are simplified the process, okay, which will give you the glance what exactly Six Sigma and how you can use it in your daily resume activity. We will learn this with a real life example, okay. Adding that example on our GitHub repository, you can just leverage it and you can just learn it from there. And this question everyone has: what is Six Sigma? Okay, when we go with a very official definition, what is Six Sigma is all about? Okay, so let me start with a very basic question. Okay, have you ever ordered something online? Maybe a pair of shoes, headphone, maybe received a wrong size of product, or maybe sometimes a color. Mistake we call in Six Sigma called defect. Six Sigma is a method used by a companies to reduce mistakes and processes more smoother. The goal is to deliver right thing at a right time, in right way, almost a perfectly begins. So it started with a Motorola in 1980. Later, General Electric made it real famous. Okay. Today, companies like Amazon, Toyota, hospitals all around the world using a Six Sigma to improve their services in day out. For instance, as I have told you, we are simplifying this process. Okay. So here I'm giving you an example over here to make you understand what does exactly mean. Okay. So think of Amazon Prime. When you order something, it's usually comes on time in order to packaging without errors. That's because they use systems and methods like a Six Sigma to minimize their mistakes. Often people get confused with lean and Six Sigma. So lean and Six Sigma is a different two concepts. Okay, often hear about the world called lean and Six Sigma. So what's the difference? So let's keep it very simple over here. Okay, so lean is all about removing your waste. Imagine your own room is a messy. Clothes are everywhere, books on the bed, charger wires are tangled. Clean is like a cleaning your room and also removing which you not really needed. It will help you to understand exactly what lean looks like. Talk about now Six Sigma. Sigma is about reducing mistakes. Imagine you are writing an essay and there are spelling mistakes. So Six Sigma is like a spell check. It catches error and makes your work more perfect. So now imagine combining both: a clean room, which is your lean, and plus your no spelling mistake, which is called Six Sigma. That's called Lean Six Sigma. And that's super powerful. So you must be wondering, and you have this question arises, right? Why Six Sigma matters? Why should you care about the Six Sigma as a student? It's not just for a companies. Think about in your daily life. College bus comes late every day. That's a process problem. Base food is sometimes good, sometimes not. That's an inconsistency. You prepare for exam but often miss the key topics. That's the defect in your study process. So Six Sigma teaches you how to see a problem clearly, find the causes and fix them. And when you graduate, employers love to people who understand quality plus improvement. It shows you can think logically and solve real life problems. Now let me just have a interactive activity with you. Okay, make this fun. Okay, and I'll pause this video here only. Okay, take a 2 minutes and think one of the mistake you faced recently. Okay. Drop your comment in below section as well. I'm happy to read those because I go thoroughly with my feedback, basically how I am going through in terms of my learning prospects for the students, right? So you can just add in the comment section. I love to read those. Cool. So since we are starting with this, take a 2 minutes and think of one mistake you faced recently. It can be anything: wrongful delivery, okay, late train or bus, ATM didn't work, and the last but not least, which is I would say rather, okay, online class didn't open. So whenever we open the class, any kind of a class, right, that class was not getting open. Cool. So this is kind of a scenario I have given to you. Okay. Tell me in the comment section what type of mistakes you have faced. Okay, in the comment section. In case you are hesitate to share that, don't worry. Okay, just write it down somewhere on your note paper. No, I gave you the overall idea what you can add as a comment. Okay. So question, how did it that mistake defects you? Okay, that's exactly what Six Sigma tries to fix, to reduce mistakes so people are happier. So yeah, so this is it for this module 1 series. Okay folks, so what we have learned so far, so Six Sigma, fewer mistakes, better processes. Okay, when we called about lean, remove your waste, Six Sigma is equal to reduces mistakes. It applies not only a companies but also in your daily life as well. Wish to get certified with white belt certification, we urge you to watch entire modules. Okay, and at the end of this modules you have to give one examination. Release a link on the description itself. Just have to type a certificate in the comment section, so we'll give you the link. But at the end of the entire module, once it is published on the YouTube, okay, and as soon as it is done, you done with the all modules, we'll release one exam link, and then you just have to simply fill that examination. You just have to clear that examination, and then once we find that you have cleared that examination, you have to submit one project. Okay, and that project as a case study you have to upload on a GitHub. Link is given at the bottom. Okay, you just have to simply upload your project there. We'll review that. Okay, we'll take some time out and we'll review that for you. Okay, find that this is correct or not correct. If it is incorrect, no need to worry. In the upcoming videos itself we'll cover that gap. Cool. So this is it for this specific module. In the next module we will go more deeper into basics of Six Sigma. Okay, things like variation, defects, and how to measure quality. Don't worry, we will keep it very simple examples which you already know. Before we close, here is a small task. Observe one process in your daily life today. Maybe your morning routine, your bus ride, or your library experience. Try to notice one mistake or inefficiency, specific process. Okay, that to the next session. Help you to start your beginner level step as a Six Sigma professional. Cool. So you have to think your mindset like this, how we are identifying defects, how we are following a problem statement, and accordingly we are working on. Cool. So this is it for this video series. I hope you found this useful folks. So please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.